Okay, we are rolling.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go through the full SOP to reset the instrument and then apply our settings and calibrate, right?
Correct. So now the calibration for the settings, what settings were we using again?
So, well, first off, we want to kick it back to the preset, right? With
Yep.
the green button. We want to say okay on that. Okay. And then, like we discussed, we want to follow a little different SOP than before. We want to put all of our settings in place first, and then cal at the end. So, yeah, start and stop.
Start and stop.
Do you
so
remember
settings
these?
at 300 kilohertz. I don't remember.
We were going 1 gig to 17 gig, and that was based basically on the limitations of the horn that we're using. So yeah, the instrument, like you're seeing there, the preset kicks it to basically the instrument's full capabilities, but the horn is limited to 1 gig to 3 gig. So go ahead and dial those in. Looks like you're on the entry.
Starting at 1 gig.
Yeah, there's the G button up on the top there.
There it is.
Okay, 1 gig, good.
Stop at 3.
17.
Oh, 17.
Did I say 3?
Let's see.
I might have said 3.
Yeah, so it's 17. Okay, that's what I. So 17.
I don't know where I came up with 3.
It's a good number.
We were talking about that. I don't know.
Okay, so
There's
from
no
1 to
reason.
17, and then the center, we're going to be...
Well, that's just auto-calculated,
That's
right?
just auto? Okay.
If you set the start and the stop, then the center is just...
And then span?
The center and span are just
We're
calculated
just going to leave those on.
Right?
Okay.
So, right, 17 minus 1 is 16?
Yep. So
why don't we hit the sweep setup and see? I believe the preset would have covered this as well.
Okay.
Okay, we were just going to double check the power setting because we had mucked with that yesterday.
So it's at -5 dBm now.
Okay, so I believe yesterday we turned it up twice, right? For our measurements, most of the day we had it at 0 dBm. At the end of the day for exposure, we cranked it up to +10. But we don't need to do that again. We can just go with the
settings.
We can just go with the 0.
So you just want to go 0?
Yep, because we ran 0 all day yesterday.
So 0. Oh, we don't have a dBm.
Just hit enter and see if it takes it.
There it is.
There we go.
Okay, so the power settings. I'm just making another note for these first few steps.
So I think that's all of the stimulus. Well, oh, there's the I lied. There's the trigger, right?
Yep, we're gonna have to set the triggers and.
Because did the trigger have the time? No.
It didn't.
Or yeah, it does. There's sweep time right there.
Oh yeah, we set that to 30 seconds.
Yep.
So sweep delay.
No, sweep time. Up top, the second one.
Oh, right there.
There you go.
I'm gonna set that to
30S.
30S.
Is it space S? Is that what it was?
There it is.
And then hit enter to make sure it took it. Okay, good.
Okay, so we have the power set to 0 dBm. And then the sweep time 30 seconds. That could be changed. Okay. Sweep delays. Do we want it to be nothing else? We're good.
No, I think. The
16.
points. Yeah, 1601.
1601 points. There we go. Get that drawn a little bit.
Yeah, that's more like what we're accustomed to.
Okay, 1601. Alrighty, I think that's it.
Yep. Well, then
then we gotta go to
trigger. We
So
were
continuous
on.
now.
We were on single.
Okay. It's gonna be on single, but we need to do the calibration now.
Yeah, calibration will kick it out of that.
Alrighty.
Yeah, calibration will. If it needs to trigger it, it'll trigger it for cal.
Cool.
Let's see. Measure. Let's go through measure. Was there anything in there?
Yes.
Yep. We want to kick that to S21.
Okay.
Okay.
Measure.
Now I can't think of anything else other than the cal. I think we're ready to.
Cal.
I think we're ready to cal, if you agree.
Yep.
Okay,
I do.
let's
So
do
we're
it.
gonna go to cal. Then we're gonna go to calibration.
Okay, I will go in the
We're gonna do
lab.
the 2-port calibration. We're gonna go to the reflection setting first.
For the photo op, we'll
Right.
demonstrate. We're using the Keysight kit 8505